NMEA 2000 Multiport T-Connector. MFG number 010-1107801. For NMEA 2000 backbone systems. Allows connection of up to 4 devices. Top reviews from the United States. Saves space. Costs less. This is a set of 4 standard NMEA 2000 connections in one assembly that is much shorter than the space required for 4 individual T-drop cable connectors. And, per connection, it's much cheaper too. Highly recommended. Saved space and eliminated multiple T connectors. I chose this product to eliminate multiple T connectors, saving me space on the installation. When you use many NMEA 2000 T connectors for multiple devices, it requires a lot of space. This unit reduced the space required and performed perfectly.